Hi! In front of me is Infinix Note 30 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can add audio or video file to text message. Begin by opening Messages app and selecting or creating a chat. Following that, click on this plus icon at the bottom left corner. And unfortunately, you can't add previously created audio file, but you can record it right away and attach it. In order to do that, tap on this microphone, hold the button to record, and when you're done, just let go. As you can see, my file was successfully added. To add a video window, select the same plus icon and click on Video section. Then you can click on your video right away in order to add it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!